5, the highest ever recruitment of teachers in Kenya's history. It is because we value the education of our children and the education of Kenyans. Kwa sababu nimeambiwa hata katika shule yetu hii ya Limuru Girls kuna upungufu ya walimu, na nimeambia Machogu watu ya TSC, so that I'm told there are 6 critical areas so that we can give you, hata wakati tunangojea kuajiri next year, we will add an additional 6 teachers at least to this school, so that we can reduce the gap between the teachers that are supposed to be here and the teachers that are here. Tutaendelea kufanya hivyo katika mashule yetu yote. Vile vile kwa sababu ya masuala muhimu kushughulika na primary na secondary school. Vile vile katika marekebisho yetu ama reforms ambayo tunaendesha katika sekta yetu ya elimu. Pia TVET pamoja na universities zetu tumesema we are almost doubling the resources that will be available for our TVET education and for our university education. Tunaongeza budget ya our TVET institutions from 5.2 billion every year to 10 billion beginning this year. Especially ya tertiary, our TVETs and universities, for a while, for the last almost 15 years, have been struggling because we were not courageous enough to take on the challenge that is. This is a challenge we cannot continue to postpone. And that is why the government of Kenya, I announced about 2 weeks ago that we have a new funding model that is going to provide adequate resources for teaching in our TVETs and in our universities, because our human capital is the single most important resource that we have as a nation. Na tusipo we are going to compromise the quality of our education, and we are going to make it difficult for our institutions of higher learning to deliver on quality education. So I want to promise the education fraternity, from primary school through secondary school, through our TVET, all the way to our universities, that the government of Kenya is seized of the importance of that sector, and we are making deliberate, intentional interventions to make sure that we streamline that space. Mimi vile vile nataka niseme kwa shule yetu ya Limuru Girls,